Hi, let's understand the process of handling the shipments without the scan. To process the shipments, users can create a pick list with the shipments. Once the pick list is created, users can receive the pick list as shown. After receiving the pick list, users will be able to see some options. View shipments. This option allows users to view the total shipments in a pick list. View items. This option allows the users to view the items that exist in the shipments. The Go to Pick List option will route the users to the pick list page. Users can click on Resume Packing to go back to the pick list processing page. Close pick list. This option will allow the users to close the pick list after the shipment process has been completed. Activity log. Users can track the activity by clicking this option. This icon is called Focus Mode. Focus mode helps the user to focus on their ongoing operation to make user experience better. Users can exit from the mode anytime by pressing the Escape key. To process the shipment, users may click on View Shipments and start with the invoicing process of the shipments. After the invoicing is completed, the shipments will be moved to the Completed tab and users can print the label. Users may also take some additional actions. View shipment details. This will allow the users to see the shipment details and also let the users edit the package details. They can also edit the package details directly by clicking on the action named Edit Package Details. Now, users may complete the manifest process and dispatch the shipments. Thank you for watching.